Okay, today we are gonna do another foam candy.
But even though it's nighttime though.
Even though it's nighttime.
I did it! See da 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 da.
Looks like we have some.
The same?
Maybe.
I'm doing like this. Oh yeah, it's same. See? Happy.
We have our little man there too?
Again.
Cool.
Okay, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3.
Okay.
So first we're gonna do this, right? Oh.
There's nothing in there yet.
Yummy, yummy on my tummy. It's yellow. See that? Guys. I can smell like pineapple.
Smells like pineapple?
Number 2 here? Okay.
Whoa, so let's turn it into foam, huh?
Oopsie.
Put on that little man right there? Okay.
He's like, help me, stop it, you're such a mean one. I just do it nice. Tastes pretty good.
Yeah. So you take the foam and then what do you do?
Then you eat it. Oh no, there's no more.
Yeah, look at this one.
Can I just a little bit more? How many do I have a taste? Yeah. Like that, and like that, guys. And this is when how I taste it. Bye, guys. And it was blast your taste now. It's about my taste. Bye.